Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a side dish. I'm using 1 box of stuffing in this. This is really great for big families and carry-ins and anything like that. And it's delicious. Okay, I've got my stuffing in there. Then I am going to add in my onion. You're going to use a medium onion, and of course I've got a large one here, so I may not use it all, but we'll see. Probably won't. Whatever I don't use, I'll use probably in my next dish. I don't know if I'm going to use all this onion because guess what? It's really strong. My eyes are watering already. Oh well. Might as well use it. I said it was strong, and it is. It made me cry. And then after you get that in there, you'll want a half of peppers. You'll want green, orange, and yellow. That onion was really strong. Man. Okay, and then you'll want to dice these up real good. This dressing is so good. You know, I always make the cornbread dressing, but my daughter wanted this. So I said, okay, it'll be fine. I had cornbread dressing for Thanksgiving. So, and then of course garlic. Can't make anything without garlic. Got one little great-granddaughter. I'm looking forward to seeing all the kids, but she's so cute. She's 4, and she always goes around the table when we're seated. Everybody will have their plates full and getting ready to eat. And she'll go around the table and she'll walk up to you and say, "What are you thankful for today?" And you better have something to tell her because she's not leaving till you do. And she'll go around all 20 of us asking what we're thankful for. And I just think that is the sweetest thing, and she just started doing that on her own. Her parents didn't tell her to do it or anything. I don't know if she saw it on TV or something, or if she just decided to make it her own. But she'll go around and she'll ask you, "What are you thankful for?" And it's always so cute. Then when she sits down, somebody will ask her, "Well now, Claire Jo, what are you thankful for?" And she'll say, "I'm thankful for Jesus. I'm thankful for my mommy and daddy, and for Mama and Papa and Nana and Pop." And she's so cute. But she knows what she's thankful for. So just always try to teach them that what Christmas is about. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. Oh. we're going to add our corn. We added 15 ounces of corn in this. Now, I've got more than 15 ounces here in this bag, so I guess we'll have some left over for a meal, and that's fine. Let me wash my hands. Now that's, you use a 15-ounce can of cream style and whole kernel corn in this. And just give it a little stir now, and it smells good. That corn brought the smell out in it. And then I'm going to add in a half a cup of melted butter, and you don't have to use pure butter if you don't want to. Okay. Then I am going to be using 3 eggs. The recipe says slightly beaten, but I didn't do that. I just peek real quick, make sure they're good, and then I dump them. And just bring it all together real good so you don't have all the garlic in one bite. And if you want to put something else in it, do it. If you've had this before, you've made it, and you do it different, let me know. I'd like to try your way too. Okay, it says a half to a cup of broth, chicken broth. I'm going to use a half because I think that might make it moist enough. And if it doesn't, just add more broth. If it's not, you know, good and moist, add more broth to it. It may take a cupful. I'm going to put a cup in it and see. Because as it bakes, it's going to get drier. I remember my parents had a very small house. I mean, her mother's kitchen was about half the size of mine for cooking, and her living room wasn't very big either. And there were 4 of us kids, mother and daddy. That makes 10, and there's probably, oh, I should have figured this up, 12, 15 grandchildren, no, great-grandchildren and grandchildren together. And we always go to Mother and Daddy's, and my 2 sisters and Mom and I would be in the kitchen trying to cook, bumping into each other. Of course, we always took side dishes and things like that. Mother only made the custard pie. That was my youngest sister's favorite. She'd make that for her, and I'd make pies and chicken and dumplings and whatever. Anyway, but we got that all made in that little tiny kitchen. And then after we ate, because everybody just get a plate and sit wherever they could, and after we got done eating, we'd have Christmas exchange. Well, okay, put this in your bowl, and I've got my oven preheating. At 350. Now, I've already sprayed my bowl, so it's okay. But after we got done eating, we'd go out in the living room, the very small living room, all of us, and we would have our Christmas exchange. And back then, we didn't have to have all the gifts that we have now, but Mother and Daddy would always have a gift for everybody. And then my sisters and brother and us would always exchange gifts, and all the great-grandkids we bought for all of them. So by the time we got done, it was like you're up to here in Christmas wrapping paper. But that was so much fun. I mean, I just loved it because everybody was close, that's for sure. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. But everybody was very close. The kids were all sitting on the floor. My dad always sat on the floor, or he had this little stool that he made. And he put fabric around it. It only sat about that high. But he made that, and he would always sit on that because he had to be down there with the kids. He always had to be with all the kids. That was where he wanted to be. So now I'm going to put this in the oven and try to clean up my eyes from all that mess. And it takes 25 minutes like this, covered. I'm going to cover it. And then I'll turn the oven down and uncover it for another 10, maybe 15 minutes. So I'll be back. Well, I am back. I am taking my corn stuffing out of the oven. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. That really smells great. See? I need to taste it. That's what I need to do. It's hot, but I don't care. I'm going to taste it anyway. I like the edges of it. Oh my. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. So good. I hope you'll all try it. It is wonderful. And it has so many different flavors. You can taste the peppers in it. You can taste your corn, of course, your onion, and of course garlic. So I'll have this all posted down below. And let me know if you've had it before. And if you put something else in it, let me know that too. Because it's really good like this, but I'd like to try it different ways too. And we love you all, and we thank you bunches for being with us.